Today I'm gonna make you an offer you can't refuse with this delicious cocktail, the Godfather. This Scotch and Amaretto based cocktail will elevate your taste buds, and I'll show you that revenge isn't the only dish best served cold. This cocktail is also delicious served cold. All right, all Godfather puns set aside, if you enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos and want to be notified each time I drop a new video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And with that said, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, you'll need a Scotch Whiskey and an Amaretto. And for garnish, you'll need an orange peel. Super simple cocktail, 2 main ingredients and a garnish. That's it. About to blow your mind. And the tools I'll be using for this drink are a mixing glass, a long stir spoon, a fruit peeler, and a Hawthorne strainer. There are officially more tools to use in this drink than there are ingredients, and everything used in my bar as well as in this cocktail are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the mixing glass, add in 1.5 ounces of Scotch Whiskey. Now it's time to add in 1/2 ounce of Amaretto. Now add ice to the mixing glass and stir for about 20 seconds. Something to make note, this is going to be a smaller drink, so don't be alarmed when the drink doesn't fill all the way up to the top of the glass. This is primarily a slow sipping cocktail. All right, set this over, pull out a rocks glass, and strain everything over a rocks glass with a large ice cube in it. Lastly, peel some orange. Extract the oils over the cocktail and drop it in the glass like so. And there you have it, the Godfather. Cheers. God, that is so good. For me, I'm not normally an Amaretto fan, but for whatever reason, Amaretto and Scotch just go well together. It isn't an overly almondy type of drink, but the balance of the Scotch and the Amaretto just work. I really have no way to describe what I'm actually tasting, but I just know it tastes great, and I'm confident you'll love it too. Have you ever had a drink like this, a Scotch Amaretto? Would you try a Scotch Amaretto? Let me know in the comments. Either way, this is probably gonna turn into one of my go-to drinks, and I can see myself building upon this drink and find out new ways to kind of add to the Amaretto Scotch, but I'll save that for a future video. So for now, I'll leave it at that. The Godfather is a solid drink, and again, in the comments, I wanna know what your thoughts are. And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing as I put out new videos and shorts each week. And until next time, cheers.